Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy Sayambitimbiti, your local guru, and I'm here with the one.
Matasa, big para, don't wali bafu, don't broke, the hardest fat nigga in the city. Yes, sir.
Go, I'm here with Matasa Ukafi. Tell me, man, are you good?
Hey, man, I'm good, man. Just tired. A lot has been happening, so yeah. Also, it's festive, so that is why.
It's festive, and if you get the book,
yeah.
The bookings are plenty.
Yo,
tell me, man, what are you doing up on the planet?
I'm just here. Tumelo,
yeah, man.
And the last boys. So yeah, man, I'm just here to support the boy.
Are you gonna be performing though?
Not really, but there will be some few exclusive
events. Yeah, that's so I'm on the middle RSA.
Yeah.
And recently you say is the corner.
Yeah, it was corner.
Yeah.
There's some dropping here 24th October and is doing very well. Shout out to the boy, man. And
the corner is out on all platforms. Please check it out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm here with Matasa Ukafi, the biggest purr. Just a prophesy. One more question, bro. One more question. Uthanda intwana zami okanye ujelasayo?
Athini uthanda uBass?
Hey,
uthanda uSean?
Say uthanda okanye uthanda
Toms.
Hey,
you not really heard.
That's a prophesy. Sir, shout out, man.
Away, yes, sir.
I love it. I love it.
Well, that was beautiful, eh?
That was nice.
Very nice.